Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another update. So we're now at 115,000 miles. Just a few updates. This car is now officially mine. That's right, I've finally paid it off. It took me 5 years. I did finance it, obviously. But I actually paid it off a whole year ago. And it's been officially mine for a little more than a year. That's a big deal for me because this is the first time in 13 years that I've been debt-free. I've paid off my student loans, paid off the car. I have no outstanding credit card balances. I have been debt-free for a year. It feels really good. You know, the main reason for wanting to be debt-free is, well, I've been in debt for as long as I can remember, like I mentioned, 13 years. And, you know, I have a family now, paying for a house, a mortgage, and that's probably the most responsible thing to do. But also it's the smartest thing to do, paying off all my debts, including this car, and investing the money that I would otherwise spend on a new car. I think that's the smartest move right now. And I've been trying to get more into making more intentional finance moves and really examining what really makes me happy. Obviously, my family, my friends, they make me happy. Of course, cars are a part of that too. And it's also inevitably part of my identity. And so I've been learning how to try and separate a part of that identity with cars and really truly examine what makes me happy about cars, or what about cars makes me happy. And really it's the experience of driving. It's not even this car per se. This car has attributes that add to a fun experience, that's no doubt. But I didn't necessarily need this car. And that doesn't mean I'm not grateful for this car, and I've loved every minute of owning it and driving it. And of course I've had countless memories and so many miles and great experiences with this car. But you know, I don't think I need a car this good after this. And making smart choices with my finances is a part of that choice as well. So yeah, a little bit of a finance rant there, but I hope some people, or I hope everyone can be happy about choosing to be debt-free and ultimately trying to be more responsible. And it feels really good to have no debt. I thought I'd try something different and have the hood open while I was talking. And here's what a 115,000 mile Giulia Quadrifoglio engine bay looks like. I don't really clean the engine bay at all. Yeah, there's just a light dusting everywhere, pretty much, and some hard water stains. Yeah. Okay, enough about me. A little more about the car. If you watched my last update, I said I had a check engine light that was coming on and off, and I was clearing that. Then also my emergency electronic parking brake, was also kind of glitching out. Those have gone away. I haven't gotten them addressed yet with Alfa Romeo or any independent shop. So they're not intrusive at all because they haven't been showing up lately, which is kind of odd, but that's good. Let's see, what else? I had to buy new tires because the rears were worn out. The fronts maybe had 25% tread left on them. And then I also picked up a nail because of some road work, I think. So I decided, you know what? I need new tires anyway. So I ended up with some Continentals. We're gonna go on a quick drive after I talk. And it'll be a little cruise along the beach here. Hope you guys enjoy it. But I also had to take the fun road to work this morning. And that was my first time driving on these tires on a spirited drive, so to speak, and they felt pretty good. From the Firestones to these Continentals, the Firestones were way more responsive, which makes sense because they had a much stiffer sidewall. And yeah, these Continentals have a much softer sidewall, so the response isn't as good, but the grip is still very high. And you know, the car's torque vectoring differential still helps with the rotation. So in that regard, it's still playful in that regard. Well, anyway, I think that's it for today's update. Come join me on a beach drive and comment below your thoughts. Thank you all for watching.